Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. In this video, we are going to solve miscellaneous question of chapter 1 of class 10 maths. As we know, a lot of question has been added in the syllabus for this new session. So we will try to solve and understand each question. So let's start our video with question number 1. Question number 1, see what is given. LCM of 2 cube into 3 into 5 and 2 power 4 into 5 into 7 is option A 40, option B 560, option C 1680, option D 1120. Here we need to find LCM. So let's start. First it is given 2 cube into 3 into 5. So this if you break and write 2 cube means we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Again our next value is what is given 2 power 4 into 5 into 7. So 2 power 4 if you break you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So here we need to find LCM. So first circle the common one. So if you see here, this is the common number you get. We are getting 2 and 2 common. Finally, again 2 common. Next, again 2 common. Next, we are getting 5 common. Okay, so here we need to find LCM. So we'll write it down. So LCM equal to what you will get. Whatever the common you got, you write it down. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. What is left outside the bracket, you write it again. 3 into 2 into 7. So if you multiply this, what you will get? 2 is a 4, 4 to the 8, 5 is a 40. 43 is you will get 120, 122 is you will get 240. 40 into 7 you multiply, you will get how much? 680. So here option C is the correct one, that is 1680. Next you see question number 2. HCF of 3 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 7 cube and 3 square into 5 into 7 is. Here we need to find the HCF. Option A is 630, option B is 63, option C 729, option D 567. So we need to find HCF of these two numbers. So first write the value 3 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 7 cube. If you break this, what will get? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into power 4. If you break, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 cube. You can write 7 into 7 into 7. The next value what is given? 3 square into 5 into 7. So 3 square if you break, you will get 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So if you circle the common here, what will you get? Here 3 is common and 7 is common. Okay, one more 3 is common and at last 7 is common. 7 is circle. So here we need to find HCF. So whatever common you got, you write it down. So HCF equal to what you will get? 3 into 3 into 7. You multiply this, 3 3 is 9 into 7. So 9 7 is 63. Is option number B. Option B is the correct one. Next question number 3, see what is given. HCF of 3 cube into 5 square into 2, 3 square into 5 cube into 2 square and 3 power 4 into 5 into 2 cube is. First we'll write the value 3 cube into 5 square into 2. If you break, you will get 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 2. Next value is given 3 square into 5 cube into 2 square. If you break, you will get 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 square. You can write 2 into 2. Okay, our next what is given? 3 power 4 into 5 into cube. If you break this, what will you get? 3 power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 cube means 3 times. into 2 into 2 into 2. Since you need to find HCF, so circle out all the common one. So if you see here, 3 is common, all the 3 numbers. So 3 3 you circle. Again, one more 3 is common here. Next 5 is common here. If you see 5, so circle the 5. Next 2 is common. 2 is common here. Okay. So since we need to find HCF, so multiply all the common number. 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. So if you multiply this, how much will you get? 3 3 is 9. 5 into 2 will get 10. 9 10 is 90. So here option number B is the correct one. 90. Okay. Question number 4, you see what is given. If HCF 420, 189 is 420. Okay, here question little bit mistake. HCF 420, 189 is 420. It should not be 420. Okay. Okay, LCM 420, 189. Okay, we need to find here LCM of 420 and 189. So HCF is given how much? 420. Here we need to find LCM. So we know the formula LCM into HCF equal to product of two number. Okay. LCM into HCF equal to product of two number. This is the formula, and this formula is very important for your exam. So if you substitute value LCM, we need to find. Okay, if you see little bit correction, okay, HCF is given 21, not 480, not 420. Okay, so HCF is 21. Printing mistake. So now put the value LCM we need to find into HCF. You got 21 equal to product of two numbers. Our two number is 420 into 189. So now if you shift 21 to right hand side, it will become divide. So what you can write, 420 into 189 divided by 21. So 21 189 you can cancel by 21. So 21 9, okay, 21 9 189. Now 420 into 9 we multiply, how much you will get? 9 0 is 0, 9 2 is 18, 1 in hand, 4 9 36 plus 1 you get 37, that is 3780. So option number C is the correct one. Next question you see, question number 5, that is using prime factorization find HCF and LCM of 96 and 120. So this you need to solve. We need to find HCF and LCM of 96 and 120. First we need to factorize 96 and we will factorize 120. Okay, so first we'll solve 96. So let's start. Now first we'll factorize 96. Okay, so this we can divide by 2. So 2 48 is 96. Again it will go by 2. 2 24 is, and if you solve you'll get 2 12 is 24. Next you'll get 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. At last 3 1 is 3. Okay, next we will solve and factorize 120. So this we can divide by 2. 260 is 120. 230 is 60. Next 215 is 30. We can divide by 3. 3 5 is 15 and 5 1 is 5. Okay, so I will write down the factor of 96. We got 2, if you count 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Only 120. The factors you got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so here we need to find both HCF and LCM. First we'll find HCF. Okay, so circle out the common question. Common number 2 and 2 is common, again 2 is common, one more 2 is common, and 3 is common here. Okay, so first we'll find HCF. So whatever common you got, you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is a 24. Now in number 6 you see what's given. LCM of 576 and 5125, prime factorization. Find LCM of 576 and 512. So we need to find LCM of 576. So factorize this, we will by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16. So 2 8 is 16. Again 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 4 is 8. But 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 to the 4, 2 36. It will go by 2, 2 18 is 36. Next, you go by 2, 2 9 is 18. Next, 3 3 is 9. At last, 3 1 is 3. Next, 5 1 2 factorize. You go by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. Again, it will go by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 1 hand, 16, 2 8 is 16. Again, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. By 2, so 64, if you divide by 2, you will get 32. Again, if you solve by 2, you will get 16. 2 16 is 32. Again, 2 8 is 6, 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. At last 2 1 is 2. So if right, the factor what you got, 576 factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Finally, factors of 512 what you got, 2 into 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 2. Okay, here we need to find LCM. So first we have to find the common one. Okay, so circle out the common one. So 2 is common here. Circle out the common. 2 is common. Again 2 is common. Again 2 common. One more 2 is common. Okay, again 2 is common. Again one more 2 common. So here 3 is not common. Okay, so we'll find LCM. So whatever common you got, you write first 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times. Okay, so whatever is left outside the common, you write it down. 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now multiply this. How much you will get? So if you multiply, what you will get? So 64 into 3 3 is 9 you will get, and 2 2 into 2 into 2 you will get 8. 64 9 8 is 72. So if you multiply this, 64 into 70, how much you will get? 64 into 72, if you multiply, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, plus 7 4 is 28, 2 in hand, 7 6 is 42 plus 2, 44. If you add 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 in hand, 4 5 6 4. 4 6 0 8 is the LCM of 576 and 512. Question number 7, we need to find HCF of 660 and 704 by prime factorization. So here we need to find HCF of 660 and 704 using prime factorization method. So first we will factorize 660. We will go by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 0. Again we will go by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10. We go by 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15. Now you can divide by 5, 5 11 is 55, 11 1 is 11. So now we will factorize 704. it will go by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. And it will go by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12. And it will go by 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16 again. Next, it will go by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8. And 2, 2 22 is 2 11 is 11 into 2. So 11 1 is 11. So first we'll write the factors of 660. What we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. Factors of 704 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Here we need to find HCF only, so find out a common number. Okay, if you circle here common, what do we get? 2 common. Again, one more 2 common. Next, 11 is common here. So we need to find HCF. So write down the common number 2 into 2 into 11. So 2 to the 4, 4 11 ja, you get 44. So HCF of this two number is 44. Question number 8 you see, we find LCM of 480 and 256 using prime factorization. So here we need to find LCM 480 and 256. Same method we will use prime factorization method. Okay, so we'll factorize 480 and 56. So first we'll factorize 480. It will go by 2. 2 to the 4, 4 is the 8, 2 0 is 0. Again it will go by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 0 is 0. Again it will go by 2. 6 is 12, 0 is 0. Again it will go by 2, 2 30 is. Next 2 15 is. Now we'll multiply by divide by 3. 3 5 is 15. At last 5 1 is 5. Similarly we'll factorize 256. It will go by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16. Again it will go by 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. Again it will go by 2, 2 3 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 4. Again it will go by 2, 2 16 is 32. Next 2 8 is 16, 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, at last 2 1 is 2. So factors of 480 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Factors of 256, 2 into 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 2. So first we circle out the common number. The 2 is common. First 2 is common. Similarly second 2 is also common. Third 2 is also common. Fourth one is also common. Then one more 2 is common. Okay. So we need to find LCM. So whatever common you got, you write once. Multiply all the common number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times you got 2 or not. So write it down. What is left outside? 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply this over here, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Into 3 5 ja. You multiply this, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, you will get 120. Okay, so 32 into 120, 33 0, 32 0, 64 4, 6 and 9, 31, 32, 30 plus 6, 38. Is 3840 is the LCM of 480 and 256. Next question number 9. Prove that 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number given that root 3 is an irrational number. So we have to prove here 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Already given root 3 is an irrational number. Okay. So first we will assume 7 minus 2 root 3 as a rational number. Okay. So let 7 minus 2 root 3 be a rational number. N minus 2 root 3 be a rational number. Now if 7 minus 2 root 3 is a rational number, then we can express in a by b form or not. We can write in fraction form. So therefore 7 minus 2 root 3 equal to a by b. So next we'll write 7 plus minus 2 root 3. If you shift this side, it will become plus 2 root 3 or not. So 7 a by b, if you bring this side, it will become minus, so equal to, you will get 2 root 3. If you see 2 is multiplying, so if you shift to right hand side, left hand side, it will become divide. So 1 by 2 bracket 7 minus a by b equal to root 3. If you see our left hand side terms, it is in rational form or not. A by b is a rational number. So with rational number, if you multiply, subtract, all will remain rational only. Okay. So here this whole term will write as rational equal to the right side is root 3. So root 3 cannot be rational. It's already given the question. Root 3 is irrational. So we'll write this contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational number. Okay. Root 3 is irrational. So therefore our number 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. If root 3 is irrational, then whole term will be irrational. Okay. So 7 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Next question number 10, you see what is given. Prove that 8 plus 5 root 5 is an irrational number given that root 5 is an irrational number. Here we need to prove 8 plus 5 root 5 as an irrational number. So first we will assume 8 plus 5 root 5 is a rational number. Okay, so write let 8 plus 5 root 5 be a rational number. If 8 plus 5 root 5 is an irrational number, then we can express in AB form. We can write in fraction form. Next we will write therefore 8 plus 5 root 5 equal to a by b. Next, if you shift 8, then 8 will become minus to left hand side. Okay, right hand side, a by b minus, you will get 8. Similarly, 5 is multiplying. So if you shift to right hand side, it will become divide. So root 5 equal to what you will get? 1 by 5 bracket a by b minus 8. Now, the whole term in right hand side, it will become what? Rational. Okay, so root 5 equal to what you will get? Rational. Okay, this whole term will become rational. Now, since in our question what is given, root 5 is an irrational number. So concept is wrong or no? We have to get root 5 as an irrational number, but we got root 5 as a rational. So this contradicts the fact that root 5 is an irrational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. So therefore 8 plus 5 root 5 is an irrational number. So this number will become irrational. Okay. Question number 11, you see, prove that 11 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number given that root 2 is an irrational. So here we need to prove 11 plus 3 root 2 as an irrational number. So same, first we will assume 11, let 11 plus 3 root 2 be a rational number. So therefore 11 plus 3 root 2 I can write in a by b form equal to a by b. Now if you shift 11, it will become minus 3 root 2 equal to a by b minus 11. Okay. Generally if you shift 3, it will become divide. So root 2 equal to what I will get? 1 by 3 bracket a by b minus 11. So our right hand side whole term it become rational or not? So root 2 equal to what I will get? Rational. But originally our root 2 is what? Irrational or not? Again our concept is wrong. So what we can write? This contradicts the fact that that root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. If our whole term is wrong, then 11 plus 3 root 2 should be irrational. So therefore 11 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number. 11 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Question number 12a. Find LCM and HCF of 480 and 720 using prime factorization method. So here we need to find LCM and HCF of 480 and 720 using prime factorization method. First we'll find LCM of First we'll factorize 480, then we'll factorize 720. So 480 if you factorize, it will go by 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 0 is 0. Again 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 0 is 0. Again if you divide by 2, you will get 2 60 is 120. Next 2 30 is 60. Again 2 15 is 30. It will go by 3, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. Next we'll factorize 720. It will go by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 6 is 12, 2 0 is 0. Again we'll go by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 0. Again it will go by 2, 2 9 is 18, 0, 90. Again it will go by 2, 2 45 is 90. It will go by 3, 3 15 is 45. Again 3 5 is 15, so 5 1 is 5. First we'll write the factors of 480. So 480, what are the factors you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Finally factors of 720, what you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So find the common number here. Circle down the common number. So we'll first circle the common. Okay. So here if you see 2 is common. Circle 2. Here 2 is common. Again one more 2 is common. Again 2 is common. One more 2 is common. And 3 is common. And 5 is common. Okay. So first we'll find HCF. So whatever common you got, you write it down. So you got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. These are the common number you got. If you multiply this, what you will get? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay. If you arrange, you will get 48 into 5. 16 3 is a 48 into 5. So if you multiply 5 is a 40, 5 4 is 20 plus 4, 24, 40. So HCF you got 240. Now we need to find LCM. So whatever common you got, write it down. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So what is left outside? 2 into 3. Okay. If you see 2 and 3 is left outside. Okay, it is not in common. So if you multiply this whole term, you got 240. So again here 2 into 3 you will get 6. 240 into 6, 20, 6 0 is 0, 6 4 24, 2 in hand, 6 2 is 12 plus 2 14, 1440. So this is the LCM. LCM 1440. Question number B, 12b, you see, the HCF of 85 and 238 is expressible in the form 85m minus 238 and the value of m. Here we need to find the value of m. HCF is already given and it is expressed in the form, okay, 85m minus 238. So first what we will do, we will actually find the HCF of 85 and 238. So first we'll factorize 85, then we'll factorize 238, then we'll find the HCF. Since already the HCF format is given, so we'll compare between the two HCF and we'll find the value of n. So if you factorize 85, it will go by 5. 5 13 is 85, 5 17 is 85, and 17 1 is 17. Next you see what is given. 238 will go by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. So 119 it will go by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 7 is 49, 7 17 is 119. So 17 1 is 17. So factors of 85, what you got? Write it down. 5 into 17. Finally, factors of 238, what we got? 2 into 7 into 17. Since we need to find HCF, so we'll find the common. So here only 17 is common. So HCF, how much we got? HCF is 17. So HCF equal to 17. Okay. Generally, it is expressed in what form according to our question? 85m minus 238. So we can write 85m minus 238. Okay, here m is printing mistake with 238, not 238m. Okay. So equal to our original HCF, what you got? 17. So if you compare this now, if you shift 238 to right hand side, it will become plus. So what we can write? 85m equal to 17 plus 238. Become plus. Okay, 17 plus 238. Now if you add this, how much you will get? 85m equal to, if you add 7 plus 8 15, 5 1 in hand, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 55 you will get. 85, if you shift to right hand side, it will become divide. So what you will get? M equal to, M equal to, you will get 55 divided by 85. So if we cancel this, 85 3 is 255. Okay, cancel 85 3 is you will get 255. So value of m equal to, how much we will get? M equal to 3. This question is very important for exam. Okay, we will get such type of question in OMR MCQ question. Next you see question number 13. The three lights at three different roads crossing changes after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change together next? Three traffic light is given. Change every after 48, 72 and 108 seconds. If the three light changes together at 7 am, at what time they will change next together? Okay. Here we first will factorize 48. So 2 24 is 48, 2 12 is 24, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Again, next our value is what given? 72. So we will factorize again. So 2, 236 is 72, 2 18 is 36, 2 9 is 18, and 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Our next value what is given? 108. 108 it will go by 2, 2 54 is 108, it will go by 2, 2 27 is 54, 7 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So 48, what are the factors you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So equal to what we can write? 2 power cube, 2 power 4 into 3. So if you see here 2 4 times or not? So 2 power 4 into 3. 70 what you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here if you write, you got 2 cube into 3 square. 108 what you got? 108 we got 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So if you write in power, what will you get? 2 square into 3 cube. So here we'll find LCM. Okay, so among this, so highest power of 2 is how much? 4, and highest power 3 is cube. So we'll write the highest power here. So 2 power 4 into 3 power cube. Okay, we'll consider the highest power. So 2 power 4 means how much we get? 16. 3 cube means how much we get? 27. So if you multiply this, what you will get? If you multiply, you will get 432. Okay, since our value were in second, so how much second you got? 432 second. This 432 second we have to convert into minute. Okay, so to convert into minute, we have to divide by 60. So first we will divide 432 by 60. So 432, if you divide by 60, what you will get? So 67 are 420. So if you subtract, you will get 12. So 7 minute 12 second. So if you convert, how much you got? 7 minute 12 second. So since our bell, since the traffic light is changed at 7 a.m. So after what time it will change? 7 a.m., 7 minute and 12 second. So time has changed at 7 a.m. So next it will change together again at 7 a.m., 7 minute and 12 second. It's after 7 minute and 12 second it will change together again. Okay. So then I got 7 into 7 12. Means 7 hours, 7 minute and 12 second. 7 a.m., 7 minute, 12 second. So exactly after this time the light will change together. Question number 14, you see what is given. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So here we need to prove root 5 is an irrational number. So first we'll assume root 5 is a rational number. So let's start. Let root 5 be a rational number. Okay. Now if root 5 is a rational number, then we can express in vacuum form or not, or a by b form. Therefore root 5 equal to what you can write? A by b. So now if you cross multiply, what you get? 5 into b equal to a. Now next step what we'll do is square both sides. Okay, we'll do squaring on both sides. That is root 5b whole square equal to a square. So we'll write squaring both sides. Now see, square and root cancel, so you'll get 5b square equal to a square. So now if you shift a to right hand side, it will become, now if you shift 5 to right hand side, it will divide a square. Okay, so we'll get b square equal to a square by 5. So here a square is dividing by 5. So if a square is dividing by 5, then a is also dividing by 5. So we'll write, therefore a square is divisible by 5 and hence a is also divisible by 5. Okay, if a square is dividing by 5, then a should also divide by 5. Okay, so next we'll take, let a equal to, we'll take 5k. Okay, we'll consider a equal to 5k, where k is a positive integer. Okay, we'll consider a equal to 5k. So we'll write a equal to 5k. Now what we'll do, we'll square both side again. A square equal to 5k whole square, squaring both side. Okay, so in bracket we'll write squaring both side. So now if you solve this, what will you get? A square equal to, okay, here a square value, if you see what you got, 5b square or not. So in place of a square, we'll substitute 5b square, and as 5 square you will get 25 a square. If you shift 5, it will become divide, so 25k square by 5. So if we cancel this, 5 5 is 25, you will get how much? B square equal to, so b square equal to, you will get 5k square. So 5, if you shift to left hand side, again it will divide b square, so b square by 5 equal to, you will get k square. So here if you see, b square is again dividing by 5, so hence b is also divisible by 5. So right, therefore b square is divisible by 5, divisible by 5, hence b is also divisible by 5. b is also divisible by 5. As you see here, both a and b is dividing by 5 or not. It means both a and b has 5 as a common factor. Both a and b have 5 as a common factor because both the number a and b is dividing by 5. So what we can write next step? This implies that a and b both have 5 as common factor. 5 as common factor. But actually if you see, a by b is our in fraction form, or it is in fraction or not. Now if you see, both a and b should be co-prime or not. Now if you remember the concept of co-prime cannot have same common factor. So this contradicts the fact that, so what you can write next, this contradicts the fact that a and b are both co-prime number or co-prime. Okay, so they cannot have same common factor. This co-prime number have only one as common factor. So hence what you can write, our assumption is wrong. Hence our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So therefore what we can write, root 5 is an rational number. Since our assumption is wrong, we consider root 5 as a rational number. So at last what we can write, root 5 is a irrational number. Next question number 15, the last question, see what is given. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So here we need to prove root 3 as an irrational number. Same like root 5 only. First we'll consider root 3 as a rational number. So we'll write, let root 3 be a rational number. Now if root 3 is a rational number, then we can express in a by b form. So therefore root 3 equal to what we can write, a by b. If you cross multiply, what we get, root 3b equal to a. Next step, what we will do, we will square both sides. Okay, squaring both sides, root 3b whole square equal to a square. Bracket, we will write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Now square and root is cancelled, so we get 3b square. Okay, 3b square equal to a square. If you shift 3 to right hand side, it will become divide. B square equal to what you get, a square by 3. A square by 3. So if you see here, a square is divisible by 5. A square is divisible by 5, then a should also divide by 5. Right, therefore a square is divisible by, sorry, not 5, 3. And hence a is also divisible by 3. Hence, a is also divisible by 3. Okay. A is also divisible by 3. Now again what you write, let a equal to 3k. We'll write A equal to 3k. Next step what we'll do, we'll square both sides. This A square equal to 3k whole square. Squaring both sides, okay? So in bracket we will write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Now if you see value of A square, what you have got? Outside value of A square, we can substitute. To solve this, you'll get 3 square means 9k square. In place of A square, what you can write? 3b square. Okay, A square equal to what you got? 3b square. In place of A, we have A square with 3b square equal to 9k square. Now if you shift 3 to right hand side, it will become divide. Okay. So now if you shift 3 to right hand side, what will get? B square equal to, implies B square equal to what will get? 9k square by 3. 3 will divide. Now if you cancel this, what will get? 3 3 is a 9. So next step what will get? B square equal to 3k square. And if you shift 3 to right hand side, it will become divide. So B square by 3 equal to k square. So here B square is dividing 3. So B is also divided 3 or not. So what we'll write next? Therefore B square is divisible by B square is divisible by 3, and hence B is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Since both a square and b square is divisible by 3, or both a and b is dividing by 3, it means what we can write here, both a and b has 3 as common factor. Both a and b has 3 common factor, okay? So what we can write, this implies that this implies that a and b both have 3 as common factor. Are prime, so they cannot have 3 as a common factor. Prime have only 1 as a common factor. We can write this is a contradiction. The fact that the fact that A and B are coprime and B are coprime. Coprime would have same number as a common factor. They have only 1 as common factor. But here both A and B got 3 as common factor or not. So what we can write, hence our assumption is wrong. Hence our assumption is wrong. Hence our assumption is wrong. So therefore what we can write, 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number.